Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use SEO apps and Shopify. Let's get started. Or to do that, just scroll down and click on the apps right here and then search in here for SEO. So click on the search SEO in Shopify App Store, and in here you should be able to see some SEO search results. So for this one, you should be able to see all of this thing right here. But what I can recommend you to do is to find the search result and then just choose the ones that are built for Shopify and click on apply right here. Now from in there, you can see 46 apps that is actually built for Shopify that is for SEO. So I recommend you to just use this tiny SEO right here or the Sherpa Smart SEO. It depends on what you want. So for me, I'll just click on this right here. Then from there, click on install. And then in here, it will ask for access in order to successfully integrate this application to our store. So let's just wait for this right here. After that, click on the install button. Then once you have clicked on the install button, you should be able to see that it will integrate itself with the dashboard. So in here, this will load and it will show us the setup wizard for this specific application. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So once it's loaded, this is what it looks like. You can convert PNG to JPG, and this will reduce image size by 80%. And you can complete, or you can convert it, or you can don't convert it. So let's try to convert it. And you can also just choose the image of text template. It can be product name, shop name, as well as product vendor as well. And you can save changes. You can also update the image file name. So you can just choose the product name and for this variant tag. And after that, click on save changes. And you can resize oversized image to the specific pixels. So for example, just put this tiny image right here, which is recommended by them, or you can also just choose this one, which is recommended by Shopify. So it's just this one, click on save changes. Then once you have done that, you should head over and then just choose the plan that is actually good for you. So they had these 3 plans right here, just choose which one. And you can also see in here the inclusions for them. As you can see, this one has laser loading, all of them like this. And all this plan include all of these things right here. And you can also choose this free trial for enterprise if you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave the like below or subscribe button to help reach more people. See you soon.